Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Clear Voice English, the place where learning English is simple, fun, and useful every day.
Hi, I'm Paul, and I'm so happy to be here today. How are you, Emily?
I'm great, thank you. I'm really excited about today's lesson. How about you?
I'm doing well too. The sun is shining, and we've got a great topic to talk about today. Something we all do.
That's right. Today, we're talking about daily routines, how to talk about your day in English.
This is one of the most useful topics when you're learning English. We all talk about our day with friends, family, or even new people.
Exactly. It's simple, but it gives you so many chances to practice English. And don't forget,
Before we begin, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Clear Voice English. It really helps us grow and bring you more great lessons.
let's start from the beginning, the morning. What do you do when you wake up?
I usually wake up at 8 a.m. The first thing I do? Drink a glass of water. Then I make a strong cup of coffee.
I wake up a little earlier, 7 a.m. I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and then I make some coffee too.
What do you have for breakfast?
Something simple, usually bread and butter. How about you?
Eggs and toast. It gives me energy for the day. After breakfast, I check my email and messages.
Me too. I check my phone, then I start work around 9 a.m.
Same here. I work from home, but I usually have a team meeting at 10 a.m. It's a good way to connect with my colleagues.
Work is a big part of the day. I make a to-do list in the morning. It helps me stay focused.
That's a great habit. I do the same. After working for a few hours, it's time for lunch. What do you usually eat?
Lunch is at 12 for me. I often make a quick sandwich.
I prefer salads, fresh and light. Then it's back to work until 5:30.
I finish at 5. After that, it's time to unwind.
After work, I go to the gym for about an hour. It helps me de-stress and stay healthy.
That's great. I don't go to the gym, but I walk in the park near my house, about 30 minutes every evening.
Walking is great. I like to listen to music or a podcast while exercising.
Me too. After walking, I go home and cook dinner. What do you usually cook?
I love cooking. I try new recipes each week. Last night, I made a fish dish. What about you?
I keep it simple, pasta or chicken with vegetables.
After dinner, I watch a comedy show or a movie to relax.
Me too. Comedy is my favorite. I also like to read before bed. It helps me sleep.
That's a good idea. I usually go to bed by 10 p.m. A full day of work and fun.
Same here. A regular sleep schedule is so important.
Now, let's go over some key English phrases you can use to talk about your day.
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at 8. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5. I go to the gym. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10.
You can use the same sentence structure with different times and activities. It's easy.
And don't forget, if you don't work, you can say, I go to school, or I study at home. You can change the words to fit your life.
What about chores? I do the dishes after dinner.
I do too, and I clean the kitchen every day.
I take out the trash on Mondays and Thursdays, and I do laundry on the weekend.
Same here. Chores are important.
And hobbies. I play the guitar for 20 minutes every day.
I draw in my sketchbook in the evening. It's very relaxing.
Other hobbies you can talk about. I listen to music, I play video games, I read books.
Don't forget to say how often. Every day, on weekends, in the evening.
Weekends are different, right? I wake up later, around 9 or 10 a.m.
Same here. No alarm clock on Saturday. I make a special breakfast, pancakes.
Nice. I go to the market on Saturday to buy food for the week.
I visit my family on Saturday. On Sunday, I clean my apartment and get ready for the week.
That's smart. I like to relax and read or watch movies on Sundays.
So you see, even on weekends, we use the same structure. I wake up at, I go to, I eat, I watch. Just change the activities.
Let's review. Use these words to talk about time: morning, afternoon, evening, night.
And these verbs for actions. Wake up, eat, work, walk, cook, watch, read, sleep.
Put them together to make great sentences. In the morning, I wake up. In the evening, I cook dinner.
You can also practice by writing down your routine. My day today was, I wake up at, then read it out loud.
Now let's do a quick role play. I'll ask, you answer. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Bread and butter.
What do you do after work?
I go for a walk.
What do you do before bed?
I read a book.
Now it's your turn. Practice these questions with a friend or say them out loud. That's all for today. Now you can talk about your day from morning to night in clear, simple English.
And you can talk about your chores, hobbies, and weekends too. It's a great way to start conversations.
Please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Clear Voice English. It really helps us grow and bring you more great lessons.
We'd love to hear from you. What's your morning like? What's your favorite hobby?
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Clear Voice English. Bye, and have a great day.